Yes. Now he told his cousin Elsa the same next time she came to Munich. Now next time his cousin Elsa came to him, and he also shared his uh, feelings. Normally, normally she lived in Berlin. Normally Elsa lived in Berlin, where her father had a business. There her father have his business. I'm sure you could learn enough to pass the exam, Albert, if you tried. Now Elsa said that Albert, if you tried,
Excuse me, sir.
you बोल बेटा
सर ये तो पढ़ लिया था सर जी।
पढ़ लिया था बेटा
यस सर,
आप
पेज नंबर 30।
सुनिए सुनिए आप लोगों की जो क्लास होती है बेटा 2 दिन वो एक्स्ट्रा होती है ठीक है क्योंकि अब 11th बी जो है उसकी क्लास होती है सिर्फ 3 days yes sir now Elsa said that Albert you can learn enough to pass the exam if you tried ओके अगर तुम कोशिश करो तो तुम अपना एग्जाम पास करने के लिए काफी कुछ लर्न कर सकते हो I know lot of boys who are much more stupid than you are. अरे I know lot of boys who are much fool, much stupid than you are. तो मैं कुछ बच्चों को जानती हूँ जो तुमसे भी अधिक मूर्ख हैं. Who get through and they also pass the examination. They say you don't have to know anything. वो कहते हैं you need not to know anything. तुम्हें और कुछ चीज जानने की आवश्यकता ही नहीं है. You don't have to understand what you are taught. You don't have to understand. तुम्हें वो नहीं समझना है what you are taught जो तुमको पढ़ाया जाता है. That be able to repeat in the exams, but you have to repeat all that what you are taught. मतलब सिर्फ उसको रिपीट करना है जो तुम्हें पढ़ाया जाता है. That is the whole trouble. That is the whole problem, said Albert. I'm no good at learning things by heart. I cannot learn things by heart. मैं कोई चीज रट नहीं सकता, कोई चीज कंठस्थ याद नहीं कर सकता. You don't need to be good at it. Oh, you don't need to learn by heart. You don't need to learn by heart. Anyone can learn like a parrot. Oh, there are many boys who can learn like a parrot. अरे और बहुत से बच्चे हैं जो तोते के समान रट सकते हैं. But you don't need. You just don't try. You don't try to cram. रटने की कोशिश मत करो. And yet I always see you with a book under your arm, even though I always see you with a book under your arm. मैं हमेशा तुम्हें तुम्हारे हाथ में बुक देखती हूँ. Said Elsa. Elsa बोलती है, what is the one you are reading? Which book are you reading? आप कौन सी बुक पढ़ रहे हो तुम? A book on geology. I am reading a book on geology. Geology, rocks and other things, चट्टाने वगैरह वगैरह. Do you learn that type of things? No. We have hardly any science at school. Actually, we have hardly no book of science in our school. हमारे स्कूल में साइंस की कोई बुक ही नहीं है. Then why are you studying it? Then why are you reading it? Because I like it. I am reading this book of geology because I like it. Okay, isn't that a good reason? Is it not a good reason? Is it not a good reason that I like it? क्या ये रीजन सही नहीं है कि मुझे ये बुक पसंद है और पसंद है then I want to read, इसलिए मैं पढ़ना चाहता हूँ. Elsa sighed. Oh, you are right, of course, Albert. Albert, you are saying right. She said, but it won't help you with your diploma. But this book will not help you to give you diploma. This book will not help you to give you diploma. ये बुक डिप्लोमा देने में तुम्हारी हेल्प नहीं करेगी. Because diploma is of science stream and you are studying the art side stream. तुम आर्ट साइड की बुक पढ़ रहे हो, जियोलॉजी पढ़ रहे हो. Apart from book, on science, his only comfort was music. Apart from the book से अलग, Einstein Einstein was fond of music. Einstein को म्यूजिक का बड़ा शौक था, and he played his violin regularly until his landlady asked him to stop. And he used to play on violin until his landlady would come to him to stop it. उसको वायलिन बजाने का बड़ा शौक था और वो रेगुलर वायलिन बजाया करता था जब तक कि उसकी लैंडलेडी उसके पास आती और कहती इसे बजाना बंद कर दो। चलिए, that wailing gets on my nerves. She said that music increases her headache. इस म्यूजिक से मेरी नसें फटने लगती हैं एंड आई फील हेडेक, और मुझे सिर दर्द महसूस होता है। She said, there is enough noise in this house. There is enough noise in this house already. इस घर में तो पहले से ही काफी शोर है। With all the kids howling and all my children keep on howling throughout the day. Keep on making noise throughout the day. मेरे सारे बच्चे पूरे दिन हल्ला मचाते रहते हैं। And moreover, you play on your violin, that also increases my headache. इससे मेरा सर दर्द बढ़ जाता है। Getting or not? चलिए, Albert was tempted to point out the most of the time it was she who made them howl. Albert wanted to say to that lady that it was only you who makes a lot of noise throughout the day. Albert कहना चाहता है, अरे तुम तो वही हो, कि तुम ही हो वो, और कोई नहीं है, तुम ही हो वो जो पूरा दिन शोर करती रहती है। But he decided it was better to say nothing, but he decided to be silent. उसने कहा नहीं, मैं चुप ही रहूंगा, मैं इसके कुछ नहीं कहूंगा। I must get away from here, he told Yuri. After 6 months alone in Munich. After passing 6 months in Munich, one day Einstein met Yuri and he told Yuri that he must get away from here. भाई मेरा यहाँ से जाने का मन करता है। I don't want to live any longer in Munich. मैं म्यूनिक में और लंबे समय तक नहीं ठहर सकता और रह सकता। It is absurd that I should go on like this. It is quite absurd. It is quite you can say that it is like a strange that I am passing my time like this here. ये बड़ा अजीबोगरीब से हालत है कि मैं यहाँ ऐसे ही अपना टाइम पास कर रहा हूँ। In the end, it will turn out I have been wasting my father's money and everyone's time. And now it is quite obvious. It is quite obvious that I am wasting the money of my father as well as others' time. लग रहा है कि मैं यहाँ पर रह करके अपने पिताजी का पैसा वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ और औरों का समय वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ। It will be better for all if I stop now. It will be better for all the people if I stop going to school. अच्छा रहेगा सबके लिए कि मैं स्कूल जाना ही बंद कर दूं। And then what will you do? Yuri asked, if you stop going to school, then what will you do? Yuri asked, I don't know. मुझे नहीं पता, I don't know. If I go to Milan, I'm afraid my father will send me back unless if I go to Milan, it is possible that my father would send me back again to that school. If I go to Milan to my parents' house, it is 100% possible that my father would send me back to that school unless I would get my diploma. मेरे पिताजी मुझे वापस इसी स्कूल में भेज देंगे जब तक कि मैं अपना डिप्लोमा नहीं ले लेता। His eyes gleamed the sudden idea, and there was a shining in the idea when he got an idea. उसकी आंखों में चमक आ गई जब उसको एक आइडिया आया, यूरी डू यू नो एनी फ्रेंड डॉक्टर्स? यूरी डू यू हैव एनी फ्रेंड डॉक्टर्स? क्या कोई तुम्हारा फ्रेंड है ऐसा कुछ डॉक्टर जो डॉक्टर हो? I know a lot of medical students. Yuri says that I know a lot of medical students, all are my friends, and some of them are friendly, and some of them are my friends. मैं मेडिकल में पढ़ने वाले कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को जानता हूं और उनमें से कुछ मेरे दोस्त हैं. Said Yuri, and doctor, but I don't know any doctor. लेकिन मैं किसी डॉक्टर को नहीं जानता. I have never had enough money to go to one. Actually, I don't have sufficient money to go to any doctor. मेरे पास इतना पैसा नहीं है कि for my treatment I would go to any doctor. कि मैं अपने ट्रीटमेंट के लिए किसी डॉक्टर के पास जाऊं. Therefore, I don't know any doctor. इसलिए मैं किसी डॉक्टर को नहीं जानता. क्यों? Suppose, said Albert. Albert said, suppose that I had a nervous breakdown. Suppose I go under depression. Suppose a doctor would say it is bad for me to go to school, and doctor would advise me. Doctor would advise me that it is bad for him to go to school. और डॉक्टर मुझे ये एडवाइस दे दे कि ये स्कूल जाना बंद कर दे. And I need to get right away from it. तो मैं तुरंत ही यहाँ से चला जाऊंगा. I need to get right away from it. Really, तो मुझे थोड़ा सा आराम मिल जाएगा, यहाँ से चला जाऊंगा. I can't imagine a doctor saying that, said Yuri. Yuri said that I can't imagine that the doctor will say that you would not go to school anymore because of your nervous breakdown. कोई डॉक्टर नहीं कहेगा कि नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन के कारण तुम स्कूल जाना बंद कर दो. I must try, said Albert, to find a doctor who specializes in nerves. Albert said, but I must try to find a doctor who have specialization in nerves. मैं किसी डॉक्टर को ढूंढने की कोशिश करूंगा जो नर्व्स के अंदर जिसने स्पेशलाइजेशन कर रखा हो, जो नर्व्स का डॉक्टर हो. There are plenty of them. You told me there are so many doctors who cure nerves, who treats nerves. जानता हूँ बहुत सारे ऐसे डॉक्टर हैं जो नर्व्स का इलाज करते हैं. He hesitated for a moment. He stopped for a moment. वो एक मिनट के लिए रुका, and then added, and then told, rather than reluctantly, now he told without any willing or told unwillingly, I will ask some of the students if they know one, if you like. If you like, I can talk to some of my friends who are the doctors or who are going to be doctors. कोई बात नहीं, चलो मैं किसी अपने ऐसे दोस्त से बात करूंगा, किसी ऐसे मेडिकल स्टूडेंट से बात करूंगा जो मेरा फ्रेंड तो है ही है और जो डॉक्टर बनने जा रहा है. चलिए, will you? अरे तुम? Oh, thank you so much, Yuri. Albert's eyes were shining. Albert's eyes were shining. उसके आंखों में चमक आ गई. Yes. Wait a moment. I haven't found anyone yet. Wait a moment. Still, I have not found anyone. अभी मुझे कोई डॉक्टर मिला नहीं है. I have just said to you. मैंने सिर्फ तुमसे कहा है. I will try to find out. Oh, but you will. But I know you will be able to find out a doctor. And if I do, चलो, if I do means if I find a doctor, ये डॉक्टर मुझे मिल भी जाता है. I don't know, लेकिन मैं नहीं जानता. He will be willing to help you. That doctor will be ready to help you. He will, declared Albert. Albert said, no doubt, he will help me, no doubt. वो मेरी हेल्प करेगा, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है. I am going to have a real nervous breakdown. लग रहा है मुझे ब्रेकडाउन होने जा रहा है. मैं डिप्रेशन में जाने वाला हूं. Said Albert. एल्बर्ट ऐसा कहता है। To make it easier for him, and then it will be easier for the doctor to give me a medical certificate. जैसे I am feeling that I am under depression, I am under nervous breakdown, so it will be easy for the doctor to give me a medical certificate, and he would advise me not to go to school anymore. तो डॉक्टर मुझे कहेगा कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, तुम स्कूल जाना बंद कर दो, टू सी माई कंडीशन, मेरी कंडीशन को देख करके। ओके, ही लाफ्ड merrily, he laughed happily. Merrily means happily. I have never seen you looking less nervous, remarked Yuri. Okay, Yuri remarked, Yuri passed a comment that he has never seen him looking less nervous. अरे यार, मैंने तो तुम्हें कभी कम नर्वस देखा ही नहीं है। यू आर ऑलवेज यू ऑलवेज लुक वेरी नर्वस। तुम तो हमेशा ज्यादा ही नर्वस लगते हो, ज्यादा ही घबराते हो। मैंने तुम्हें कभी कम घबराते हुए नहीं देखा है। A day or two at school will soon put that right, Albert assured him. Albert assured his friend that within 2 or 3 days, or with 1 or 2 days, you will be able to see that school will put me under depression. तुम देखे ना, एक या दो दिन के अंदर जो स्कूल है ना, मुझे कंप्लीटली डिप्रेशन में डाल देगा। Certainly, he had lost his high spirit when Yuri saw him next time. Next time when Yuri saw Albert, really Albert had lost his zest, means उत्साह। नेक्स्ट टाइम जब यूरी एल्बर्ट से मिलता है तो क्या देखता है कि एल्बर्ट ने अपना सारा जेस्ट, सारा एनकरेज खो दिया है। ओके, ही वाज लुकिंग वेरी डल, ही वाज लुकिंग वेरी पैसिव। ओके, और मोरओवर ही वाज लुकिंग वेरी नर्वस। यस, आई कांट स्टैंड इट एनी लॉन्गर, he said. Albert said that I can't do this any longer. I can't go to that school any longer. अब मैं और स्कूल में नहीं जा सकता। He said, I really shall have a nervous breakdown if I go to that school. If I keep on going to that school, really, I will have nervous breakdown. तो मेरा डिप्रेशन तो हो ही जाएगा, मैं घबराते मर जाऊंगा। That will satisfy any doctor, तब and that nervous breakdown will satisfy any doctor। तब जब मुझे वास्तव में डिप्रेशन होगा, नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन होगा, तो वास्तव में डॉक्टर देख लेगा, and then he will be able to give me a certificate, तो मुझे सर्टिफिकेट दे देगा। Keep it up, then said Yuri said, oh, that keep it up. Okay, just be under nervous breakdown. Okay, तो अपनों को nervous breakdown में ही रखो। Okay, actually I have found a doctor for you. I have found a doctor for you. मैंने तुम्हारे लिए डॉक्टर ढूंढ लिया है। You have really? Albert's face lit up. There was the shining of happiness on the face of Albert. Albert was feeling very happy, बच्चों। Oh, good. When can I see him? When can I visit him? When can I talk to him? मुझसे कब मिल सकता हूँ? मैं उससे कब बातें कर सकता हूँ? I have an appointment for you for tomorrow evening. I have taken an appointment for you from that doctor tomorrow evening. मैंने कल शाम का उस डॉक्टर से तुम्हारे लिए अपॉइंटमेंट ले लिया है। Yuri said, there is the address, and that is the address. Yuri showed the address to Albert Einstein. He handed Albert a piece of paper. He gave a piece of paper to Albert on which the address of the doctor was mentioned. जिसके ऊपर डॉक्टर का एड्रेस लिखा हुआ था. Dr. Ernest Well. What is the name of the doctor? Dr. Ernest Well. Okay. Is he a specialist in nervous breakdown? He asked a question. Okay. And Albert asked a question. Is this doctor a specialist in nervous breakdown? क्या ये डॉक्टर nervous breakdown का स्पेशलिस्ट है? Not exactly. Not completely. Okay. Urey admitted, as a matter of fact, he only qualified as a doctor last week. As a matter of fact, actually, fact is that, बात ये है that this doctor has recently passed out his MBBS, or his medical education or his medical exam. इस डॉक्टर ने अभी हाल ही में अपना मेडिकल एग्जाम पास किया है. ये अभी नया डॉक्टर बना है. Getting or not? And you will be the first patient of that doctor. और इस डॉक्टर के तुम पहले पेशेंट होगे. Yes, yes, last week, and you may even be his first patient. You know him as a student then, and Urey, then I know that you will know him as a medical student. लगता है तुम मुझे जब वो मेडिकल स्टूडेंट था तब से उसको जानते होंगे. I have known Ernest for years. हाँ, really, I know Ernest for many years. मैं अर्नेस्ट को कई सालों से जानता हूँ. Urey hesitated for a few moments. Urey stopped for a few minutes. He is not a fool. He is not a stupid. Ernest Well, Dr. Ernest Well is not a stupid. वो stupid नहीं है, वो मूर्ख नहीं है. He warned Albert. He warned Albert. He made Albert careful. उसने Albert को सावधान कर दिया. What do you mean? What do you want to say? Don't try to pull the wool over his eyes. Okay, that's all. बाज की खाल मत निकालो. Okay, don't try to be over smart. I have found out a doctor for you. Just go to him and tell him your problem. उसके पास जाना और उसको अपनी प्रॉब्लम बताना, शेयर करना. That's all. Be frank with him. Okay, be frank. Okay, tell everything. Tell him everything. उसे हर चीज बताना. But don't pretend you have got what you have not. And don't pretend, और ऐसा बहाना मत करना. Don't make any excuse that you have got कि तुम्हें nervous breakdown हो गया है. But in actually you have not got any nervous breakdown. Actual में तुम्हें nervous breakdown नहीं हुआ है. But you will show him, you will tell him. लेकिन तुम उसे बताओगे that you really have a nervous breakdown, कि तुम्हें वास्तव में nervous breakdown हो गया है, तुम वास्तव में डिप्रेशन में चले गए थे. Getting or not बेटा? चलिए. Not that you would deceive anyone. Okay, not that. It means इसलिए नहीं. Urey, Einstein, you will not deceive anyone. You will not cheat anyone. तुम किसी को धोखा नहीं दोगे. Urey added, you are the world first liar. I know that you will be the world first liar. Liar means झूठा. मैं जानता हूँ तुम संसार के सबसे पहले झूठे इंसान होगे. Albert spent the next day wondering what to tell the doctor. Albert prepared himself what to tell to the doctor. Next evening, next day, अगले दिन एल्बर्ट ने अपने आप को तैयार किया कि वो डॉक्टर से क्या क्या बताएगा. तो एल्बर्ट